need mixed oil and water. For example, mayonnaise and ketchup for your chips. You need to get grease off frying pans, or people wear face cream. So, what is the problem with mixing oil and water? First of all, oil floats on water. But if I give it a bit of a shake, I end up with a cloudy mixture of oil droplets in water. But the sharp-eyed of you will be aware that the bottle is more yellow at the top than the bottom. This is the oil floating upwards. This is a process called creaming, and it's what happens in milk. The fat droplets float to the top and you skim them off as cream. You might also notice that the top of the bottle is more clear. Here, the droplets are getting bigger and bigger, merging together, and eventually forming back into the bulk oil phase. So, why is this happening? What's happening here is that the oil and the water don't want to be next to each other. So the bigger the droplets, the less area is in contact. As they get bigger, the area gets smaller, and the energy gets smaller as well. Eventually, we should end up with a flat interface. It should be about now, if Scotland isn't too cold. So, how do we stop this happening? One way is to add a molecule called a surfactant. This has a head end, which really likes water, and a tail end, which likes the oil. What happens then is that they can sit on this interface and lower its energy. This allows it to form an emulsion, which is stable. The droplets can be really small, which is why this is cloudy, and they can stay there long-lived. This is what I made earlier in the afternoon. But you can see that there is actually still some creaming because I haven't altered the density. So, what are surfactants? The most common one is the one that you all have, I hope, I think there aren't too many students here, by your kitchen sink. It's washing up liquid. It contains surfactants, and this allows you to take the oil and grease off your frying pans and put it into the water of your washing up bowl. Surfactants are also used to clean up oil spills. They're then called dispersants, and allow us to clean up seabirds after horrible things happen on the north coast of Scotland. Thank you very much.